So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is the officially website of the Gigabyte. You can download the driver any Gigabyte devices. So after that you can see this is the language and this is model number and this is search box. You just click on that. After click the enter your model number B760M D3HP DDR4 and then hit enter. Then click on the name of the title. Then click on support. Then select the operating system, which is Windows 10 11. So no worry about it if you're in Windows 11, sorry, Windows 11 10. So this is installations both same, Windows 10 11 installations same. Chipset. So install first Intel, this one, and just click to download. After download you can see this is start downloading. Serial iOS driver Intel. It is completed. Just open and then double click to exe. Now click on yes. Now this is installing, so wait few seconds, it will complete. Yeah, otherwise it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, yeah, like that. And then close. One more, try this one, install INF installer. Just click to download. This is download icon and you can see this is downloading start and perfect. Now this is downloaded, so open. Again click on double click on the exe, then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Okay, after that we can ask the administrators for the installation, like that. And it is closed automatically, means installed.